What's going on? Alan Dragoo here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money without working.
What did you say?
Specifically, how to scale yourself to detach the time you put into work to the money that you make out of that work. I'm going to give you my exact model broken down to get your business as automated as possible so you can make as much money as possible by putting in the least amount of time so that you can spend more time with your kids or read books or play golf or whatever it is that you want to do. All right, so let's take a look at my screen right here. I'm going to walk you through the Scale Yourself 1,000 Times framework, okay? And this framework is a 4-step framework, and I'm going to walk you through the first framework. And that first framework is going to help us establish the mindset and the philosophy to scaling yourself. And it is evergreen assets. Everything that you make should be evergreen, means that it should work more than one time. If you create a post, if you create a product, if you create a sequence, whatever you make has to work over and over and over without you having to make that thing again. This is the basic philosophy on how to scale yourself. It is assets, not assignments. And I'm going to show you how to do that as a creator, as a writer, okay? So the first thing is evergreen content. This is the traffic to your sales. You can't make any money without traffic. So we have to get traffic somehow. You can either do that through organic content or you could do that through paid ads. I don't like paid ads because the minute you turn paid ads off is the minute you stop making money. So now you have to spend money to make money. But that's not the philosophy that we're after. The philosophy that we're after is that we can make something once and it will work over and over and over and over and over again. So that way we don't have to continue working or continue spending to get the result. You with me? Okay, fantastic. So evergreen content, these are the 3 ways that I like to do evergreen content. I like to make YouTube videos just like this one. And then I take those YouTube videos and I put them on podcasts, right? You can export the audio and put it on podcasts. And then I transcript these videos and publish them as an article on my website. So let me show you what that looks like. So we go back to my YouTube channel here, right? So I have a YouTube channel here. Here's a video that I recently made, a modern copywriting full crash course. It's 2 hours long. I made it, recorded it in here, and this video has been continuing to grow. I posted it about 3 weeks ago, and I clicked this over here, and here's the beauty behind this video. I took this video, and this video will work forever, meaning this is an evergreen asset because YouTube is a search engine. It's why the things that I laid out a little bit earlier are all evergreen. YouTube is a search engine. Podcast is a search engine. People can search specific topics, find answers to those topics through audio, and then consume that content forever and ever and ever, 5 years, 10 years, 15. So it continues to compound. And then your website is just Google and ChatGPT and Reddit and all these things pushing to high quality websites. So for example, that YouTube video that I'm showing you, this full 2-hour course type thing. Okay, so you go watch this video, but guess what? This video is also exported on a podcast, right? So you could go to Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and you can go find all my podcasts with the Copy Creator Cast. And you could go listen to that same exact video for 2 hours if you want and do that instead. Or you can go to my website, right? You could go to alandragoo.com, which drives Google traffic. So anybody who's typing like copywriting course or anything like that, they're going to go and find my articles. And so you'll see my articles and you will find how to do that copywriting masterclass right here, which is a transcript of that video that I recorded. So this video that I recorded, I was able to put this into CapCut, and CapCut has a transcribe feature, which then I used to turn that into a flywheel of content. So I recorded the video, transcribed it with CapCut, posted it on my website, and then I also exported the audio from CapCut and posted that as a podcast. So now you create one evergreen asset that lives forever on YouTube, which is the 2nd largest search engine in the world behind Google. And then you also capitalize on Google because you could get search traffic that goes to your website with the transcribed video By the way, you could take that transcription, put it into Claude, and tell Claude to clean up the transcription, format it like an article, things like that. Very simple. Then you take that written version of your video, post it on your website, and now you have Google traffic. And then you take the audio version of your video and export it to podcast. And so now you have 3 evergreen channels working in your favor for traffic. So I'm going to spend 3 to 4 hours making a video like this, publishing it, editing it, all that stuff, 3 to 4 hours. And that 3 to 4 hours is now going to work for me forever, because every time I publish a video, it's going to continue to compound, and compound, right? Because if you go to my channel, you could go to videos, you can hit popular, and you can see that I have other videos, 69,000, 13,000, 10,000, 6.5 thousand. And all of these are continuing to compound over and over and over and over. And they lead to the next evergreen asset that scales yourself 1,000 times. And that evergreen asset is a Bribe Opt In. The last thing that you want to do is bet on all of these social media platforms to build your business. You need to move all of that traffic into an asset that you own, because you don't own social media. You don't own YouTube. You don't own podcasts. You don't own WordPress. You don't own any of those things. So you have to move it to an asset that you actually own so that you can scale yourself even more. And the way that we do that is that we take all this evergreen traffic, right? The YouTube, the podcast, the website, and we point them all to the same thing. And the thing that you need to point them to is a bribe. You need to bribe them with a gift to join your email list. So anybody who watches your YouTube videos, your podcasts, your websites, anything like that, bribe them and say, hey, if you like this video, then I have a free gift for you. I'm going to give you X in exchange for your email address. Back to that modern day copywriting crash course, right? There are bribes all over this video. You got the 2-hour crash course, free AI market research prompts, 101 super sticky viral hook templates. There's bribes all over this. And the reason is because I want them to join my email list. So check this out. If I click one of these bribes right here, it's going to take me to a landing page just like this, right? How to go from beginner to paid writer by becoming dangerously persuasive with copywriting in just 2 hours. And what this is a bribe, right? So you're going to put your email address in, and then something else is going to happen, something magical. Okay. This is where we continue to scale and automate without extra time. So they're going to put that bribe in, and I have a sequence inside of Kit. Okay. So I use Kit for all of my emails. This is not sponsored, but I do have a link down below. If you want to check out Kit, you're more than welcome to check it out. And I have 2 automatic email sequences. I have a trigger, okay, a visual automation trigger that when they enter in their email address, let me show you. So here's the trigger for my visual automation for like my market research prompts, which is also in here, right? I have the market research prompts, the 2-hour course. Here's a visual automation that when they submit this form, right? When they get into this form, they automatically start getting emails. And I've gotten over 1,200 email subscribers from that one video. Okay. That one video has brought me a ton of email subscribers. So they fill out this lead magnet form, and then they start going through my email sequence. I have 2 emails that go to them automatically. I've written these one time, and they're going to do the work. They're going to continue to scale forever. I tell them, hey, my friend, here you go. Here's the lead magnet. They can click it, and it's this beautiful lead magnet, right? You click this, and it's absolutely stunning, right? It looks like this. They can walk through the entire thing. It's absolutely phenomenal, very beautiful, very well designed. You go in here. I tell them, reply to let me know that you got the email. That increases your deliverability, so that way you don't land in the spam folder. And then I introduce myself. I tell them, hey, not only are you going to get this one email, you're actually going to get a couple more emails from me, because I send emails on a daily basis telling stories. And I just walk them through. I introduce myself in this email. So not only are they getting a free gift from me, but they're getting to know me personally so that I can warm up to them and they're willing to listen to more stories from me. All right, so now that we've got them on the first email, we've introduced ourselves, we've delivered the lead magnet, we've introduced ourselves. There's something else that I do automatically because they haven't bought anything yet. We need them to buy something automatically so that way we don't have to continue working to make money. And that's where I introduce my oops email, okay? So check this out. after you opt into this, you actually get another email from me 3 hours later, and it's, oops, hey, I forgot one more thing. And this is where I actually do the sale. This is where I actually offer something for you to check this out. So it says, I forgot. This is 3 hours later. Hey, while you're mastering the art of becoming dangerously persuasive with copywriting. So this is congruent to the gift. They got the modern day copywriting crash course thing. And then congruent, I offer something that they will likely want to buy based on the problem they have. If someone is trying to master copywriting, then they likely have other problems like client acquisition, building their business, things like that. And that is where I make an offer to join my Copy Creator Club. This is a school community that I run. And so I entice them with things that will solve their problems in there. And then I upsell it with a guarantee, and they can click this club page. And what it does is it takes them to another asset, okay? And this asset is a sales page. This sales page was written, ding, 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 one time, right? I wrote this sales page one time. And so now I've got this working for me 24/7, right? Because they went in here, they got my first email, which gave them the actual bribe, the lead magnet, the thing they signed up for. And then I upsold them to say, hey, you may also like this. You don't have to upsell a school community. You can upsell a training, a course, a cohort, a done-for-you service, a low-ticket item, anything that can help you solve a problem for the people you're trying to serve and make money while solving that problem. But for me, I have it go to a sales page that works 24/7. But I take this even further, right? I'm going to show you this on the thing. We've now gotten to the welcome sequence side where I deliver and I offer. I deliver and I offer. But that leads us to the last part, which is auto delivery of your offer. Okay. You now have to deliver your offer on auto so that you can continue making money without putting in more work. So now people go to this and they say, I'm super interested. They click this and it takes them over to the school community. All right. This is where I sell the school community. There's 114 copywriters and creators in here building their one-person business, scaling, just like we're talking about in this video, right? Typically it will say join. I'm already in it, right? Obviously I'm already in it. And then when they join, guess what happens? They get more emails from me on auto though. It's fantastic. So it automatically happens. What happens is they get this one. Hey, you're in. And what I do is I tell them, hey, go do this first. Go download the school app, check out the community tab, introduce yourself. And then I have a book that they read. Hey, read this codex, okay? Read this, dive into it. This is going to tell you everything that you need to know about your one-person business, but also some good to knows. Here's some weekly calls that you get. Update your calendar with our weekly calls. Here's previous versions of those calls. Here's some master classes that you can dive into. Here's the 30-day action plan, right? I'm giving them like a pick your path type thing. There's a lot of ways to solve these problems. And then, oh man, it gets even better. When they are in the community tab, they introduce themselves. They talk to other people. They can go to the classroom. They can get coaching calls to watch, okay? You can watch these how-to videos. It's all in here. What problem are you trying to solve? I got like 50 videos in here based on the problem that you're trying to solve. You want to watch a masterclass on meta ads or sales pages or whatever it is, right? There's so much stuff in here that is so helpful based on the problem they can solve. Like if they're like, hey, I'm learning copywriting, okay, in the classroom. Well, now copywriting 101. Oh, perfect. Copywriting 101. And they start just diving into this. So now there's just amples of research. There's amples of all of this stuff. And so let me show you from a full scale picture. Okay. From a full scale picture, what we did right here. We made evergreen content that works for you 24/7, YouTube to podcast to website. That went to a Bribe Opt In that is live 24/7. You could do a PDF. You could do templates. Like I did templates and teaching with a PDF. You could give away AI prompts. Hey, in exchange for your email, I'll give you these AI prompts. That then triggers an email sequence where you deliver that gift to someone and then you make them an offer. That offer then goes to a sales page where that is live 24/7. That is selling them for you. VSL sales page automatically doing the selling for your offer. And then from that offer page, they opt into your auto delivery, where you are then going to email them exactly what they need, or give them access to a course, or give them access to the modules for the low ticket, or give them access to your continuity product, your school, your community, and then they can dive into the rabbit hole. So I could be sleeping. All this is happening and people are just joining, buying your stuff, and experiencing the product that you offer without you having to work on it. And so you can focus on making these things really, really good. You can make a bribe opt-in once. You can make that welcome sequence one time. You can continuously add great stuff in your community so that way when people dive in, they can experience the best parts of it without you being there. But that's it. That is my whole scale yourself 1,000 times model. I hope you absolutely enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel so I can make more content like this. And for God's sakes, bribe into my email. Did you not get the picture? I've got tons of stuff in the link in the description below. Copywriting courses, secrets, AI prompts, all kinds of stuff for you to bribe and actually go experience this for yourself. You could see what my funnel looks like in action. Reply to those emails, have some fun, go make your stuff, and I'll see you on the email list.